how can you turn this into this? Spaghetti. On keto, is it real? Coming up. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, start now by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. So Susan, tell me how you're gonna cook your favorite meal, spaghetti, which you've told me that's one of your favorites, and stay on keto, because that doesn't make sense.
Okay, well, first of all, I want to show you this right here. This is called Miracle Noodles.
Miracle Noodles.
And I'm sure a lot of you have tried these. They are horrible.
Oh, okay.
That's
Thumbs
not
down.
what we're doing today.
We're not doing Miracle Noodles.
Miracle Noodles. Miracle Noodles are made out of Shirataki cognac, C-O-N-J-A-C pasta.
Cognac? Like sipping on cognac?
No,
Oh.
it's spelled differently. It tastes almost like eating rubber bands, and it smells like fish. It's the worst. I've made it a couple of times. The kids choked it down. We made like chicken noodle soup out of it. But this, okay, put that down. This is
I would actually say, I wouldn't say cognac. I'd say konjac, because there's a J in there.
You would be wrong.
Konjac.
Oh, what about konjac?
Konjac?
Because jalapeno?
Yes.
Konjac.
I see
Maybe.
that.
I don't know.
And it's Japanese, right?
This
Shirataki?
right here is a game changer for keto. This is Liviva noodles, and we'll put
Liviva. I love that. Sounds
wait.
like a song.
Liviva.
Liviva
Yeah.
Lost Noodles.
Oh, it is kind of lost noodles.
It is.
Okay, so this is made out of Shirataki, the cognac flour, but it's also made out of oat fiber. It doesn't taste like, it doesn't smell fishy. It is in a liquid, but these, you won't know that you're not eating regular pasta.
Oh, but this you would, because it's a little crazy.
And we'll show the information,
The
deets
macros.
in the, but I'll do a close up. This has total carbohydrates, 4 servings per container. Okay, there's 4 servings per container.
4 servings.
4 grams of carbs
Got
per
it.
serving, but 3 dietary fibers. So what you do is you subtract the fiber from
math.
the actual total carbohydrates. So you're looking at 4 grams of carbs for this whole entire package.
4 grams of carbs, folks.
And I use 2 of these packages for a vat of spaghetti for my family, because I'm feeding a family of 5.
Yeah, the vat. We like vats.
So I use 2 packets.
Okay, a question here. So let's try to bring this back home and keep it real. So compared to your spaghetti that you've normally eaten, what kind of carb count would we be talking with the?
Why do you ask me this stuff?
What? I'm just saying. What?
Pause.
What? I mean, I thought you would know off the top of your head.
Yeah, because I have that information in my brain. So I ran to the store. No, I'm just kidding. My mom has
That was
these.
fast.
My mom has these. Total carbohydrates, 42 grams. 2 grams of fiber. So you're looking at 40 grams of carbs for 2 ounces. There's 8 servings. This is 8 servings. So you're talking, what, 40 times 8? Yes.
Some
isn't
math
that
right there.
Stupid? Well, 4 times 8, 32. So you're looking at 320 grams of carbs. If you ate this whole, of course you're not going to eat this whole thing. We're not going to eat the whole.
Yeah, but you'll get a plate. A plate full.
So-
Who doesn't eat a plate full of spaghetti?
So if you ate just 1 serving, that's 40 grams of carbs.
Hello.
That's bad.
You got a base. So,
Let's get started.
really?
First we have ground beef, 93.7. That means 93 lean meat, 7% fat. We have a mixture of spices, which is garlic, onion, and Italian seasoning. We have half of a onion and half of bell pepper. And we have, these are the Shirataki noodles. Well, not Shirataki. These are the Liviva oat fiber and Shirataki mix noodles. See how they look like? It looks like real spaghetti. It's already cooked. It's not like rubber bands. And we also have the Marinara from Aldi. This has 7 grams of carbs, 2 fiber, so 5 grams of carbs for a half cup. And looks like it's about done. And also, usually I put my vegetables in. Most people put their vegetables in first and cook those down a little bit before they do their meat. But I like mine a little crunchy, so I cook mine with my meat. And because it's 93.7, this is how much grease is in it. So it's a little more greasy than the 97.3, but I'm gonna drain this and be right back. So this has been a very simple recipe. You know how to make spaghetti. We were just showing you basically the use of different noodles other than regular wheat flour or whatever it's called, noodles.
People know how to make spaghetti?
Yeah. I'm not trying to teach you how to make spaghetti. You know how to make spaghetti. You do you, boo. You just do whatever kind of spaghetti you want to do.
We were just showing you the noodles. Now, before we do this, want to get a shot. We know there's a large, huge controversy about how people eat spaghetti. Some do with noodles with the meat on the top. Okay, I know a lot of people do that. And then a lot of people do mixed all in. Well, we're the mixed all in kind of people. Because I know a lot of people eat these and they use the spoon and they wrap the noodles up.
It's called Italians.
Oh, the Italians. Well, I'm French, so...
You don't know what you are.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. I didn't take the DNA test.
But
anyway, this is how we eat it, and...
I almost think this is the first time you've had this, because I think I've only made this for the kids. Like,
okay, here we go. And we always do the taste test at the end.
Just don't slurp, okay?
Are you serious? Hold on.
Slurp.
Hold on. Oh, wait a minute.
How's the noodles?
That's legit. Those noodles... Wow.
I mean, you cannot tell that this is not a...
I'm going to eat some more of this after the video's gone.
You can't tell that this is not a regular wheat stock. You already did that on one video.
Well, that was a mayonnaise, but this is different.
Do I have to feed you? I feel
Wait
weird.
a minute.
Okay. I'll go ahead and take a bite.
You kidding me? That's it, folks. Spaghetti. On keto, it is possible.
And delicious.
Yes. So... that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
And share.
And share. Share the video with other people that want to live a simple ketogenic lifestyle. Until next time, folks, remember, stay on the keto cloud.
Oh my gosh. Help us, please.
No, that's it.